GTO Driveshaft. Nice. Well, now we see how she fits. So I've got the driveshaft up and into the trans. Go for our little hoop-de-doo. We are quite tight back here. Definitely need to. It's gonna fit. We just gotta travel the suspension a little bit to get her in there. Drive shaft in. Wick, you want to tell me about the new toy?
Yeah. Seems like it works pretty well if you, but you got to go around, in increments. Otherwise, you get these square spots because of the way this expander is. You want to.
It's pretty neat that it's doing it.
Yeah, it's
with stainless.
Yeah.
Go ahead, just try slipping that on there just to see how it fits.
Yeah, once I get her rounded out, I tried it a little bit ago and it wasn't quite working yet.
It's impressive watching that thing. That's why that was our practice one.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure once you put a clamp on it, we'll squeeze it back down. You know,
Maybe you need to baby step a little bit more.
Yeah, I think, and he says quarter turns. I guess that's probably right because there's 4 segments to it. Like, it'd probably be good to put some marks on it.
Yeah, and
so you degree it, so you know you're actually
set,
moving it a quarter, not taking it off and putting it back right where you were. But it'll work for sure.
Not bad.
Yeah. So I guess you got the X pipe where we want it.
I got the X pipe where we want it. Obviously, and our drive shaft's in. X pipe up to the center. That is. I mean, we need to adjust our outlets here. But before I do that and start pulling and tugging and screwing around, I do want to mark these at each.
Yeah, if you got them where you want them.
Yeah, that's what I want to do before we do that. But yeah, some lines to get them back where they're supposed to go. But yeah, it's coming along. Gotta calm that baby down a little bit. Basically works like a standard one.
That's the problem right there. I'm almost out of screw. Yeah, I think it basically is a standard one, just with
the piece on the other end.
Alright, so I'm going to go into this mark right there. I bet there's supposed to be an O-ring there.
No, it only shows 2 O-rings on the whole, all of them in the instructions.
I don't know why they grouped it. Somebody wasn't thinking that one out too well. Spent all that money to machine that. about a quarter, I would guess.
Or what?
That was about a quarter, huh?
Yeah. You know, they say a quarter, but seeing that piece is quartered, wouldn't you want to move it
An eighth.
an eighth?
I get.
Wouldn't that
I don't
make
know.
sense?
And that looks pretty good. I don't.
That looks pretty damn round. Let me see that.
It's not gone nearly far enough.
Wow.
I guess if you move it quarter, but off by, you know, a quarter or whatever.
Which would be an eighth.
No, I mean, if you move it a quarter at a time, just offset where it is. I don't know. I don't have it marked on here, so I don't really even know if I'm moving it a quarter.
Oh, the thing's pretty impressive, though.
Yeah.
I mean, you want to check it?
You can check it if you want.
Right. We're working on getting our driver's side exhaust finished the rest of the way. Had to do some finagling. But this is all good. This is right where we want it. Because the way our tips are, they do come up a little, which will level this out. Because the bumper does have a little rake to it. Yes, we did just pop the bumper back on there. We know we're gonna have to pull it off again, but it's up there, it's on, it's good to go. So we're just trying to get our exhaust mocked up so it can get welded. I've already done that a few times. That looks pretty good for.
A little wonkiness going on there, but
Well, once we get our clamps, we'll pull her up with our clamps. We have to take it all apart again anyway, put the clamps on.
yeah, we might have to loosen up some, like to get this to square up a little bit, but
Well, we can take my marks off up there and everything, whatever we need to do.
yeah, of course when this goes up to where it's supposed to be, I guess that'll be different.
I'll help it. It's looking good. All right. That thing ain't gonna crack your finger or hand this time, right?
You know, I'm tempted to figure out a way to do this because that shouldn't be that way.
No.
So something needs to get welded.
Should this become a product reviews of the Wick right now?
Yeah, don't buy these hunks of shit. Whoever makes this strong line, they usually make decent shit. This shit sucks. This is the dumbest fucking thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
You're way off from the hole, by the way.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, the holes are cool. Oh, that's it.
Let's let the top down without fucking death trap. Yeah, strong way. Not fuck cool. Got her all mocked up. Everything's marked. Ready to be welded. Looks good, Wick.
Yeah, it does.
I can't wait to see it with the clamps off and everything welded up.